Hey fam, Mariano Gomez, the Dynamics GP blogster here. Welcome to week 3 of the Made It with Power Up sweepstakes. This is a challenge that Microsoft has put out to basically help newcomers to the platform with adoption and helping them find the best of the platform while they get introduced to it and learn from some of us in the community. So without further ado, here are my 3 tips. The first step that I always follow when building a new app is to make sure there isn't already something available out there that can be used. So if you go under all templates, there's actually about 24 plus templates that you can use to get started with. One of my favorite ones and one that helped me get started was the My Expenses Canvas app template. Well, I needed a timesheet and I was able to leverage this one to actually turn it around into a timesheet application. So don't think you always have to start from scratch. This is part of the low code, no code premise. So search for a template that might help you to get your endeavor going. My second tip is if you can't find a template, try to start from data. Maybe you already have a data source that you have identified to contain the minimum set of requirements that your application is going to use to get an app started. So the good thing is when you start from data, Microsoft Power Apps will build you a 3-screen starter app that is going to get you in the right direction. All you got to do is add or subtract or augment this app with additional features that you might need. But out of the gate, you already have a fully functional app. So take advantage of starting an application with data. You can either create a phone application or a tablet application. That's up to you, whatever form factor you're using, but you will get a fully functional app. My third and last tip is make sure to also leverage the community. So if you go to powerusers.microsoft.com, right? And you click on the Power Apps community, you have access to a number of already existing samples under the community app samples. And these are applications that have been donated by people even like myself who give you the access to download these applications and use them as starter points for everything you have. So those are my 3 tips for step-by-step building out new apps that I follow on a regular basis, and up to now they're proving successful. So I hope you do the same. Thank you for watching.